Good morning, all. Welcome back to your maths class, session 2. I hope you all understood what we have covered in the session 1. And the same way, I hope you all have revised what we have learned in the previous session. So let's move to the new topic in session 2. I hope you all will find it interesting. Is your chapter 1, Building with Bricks, session 2. Students, in the previous class, we had learned about different brick patterns, structure of bricks, concept of different shapes, and mirror hubs. And today, we will learn about different wall patterns, different jali patterns, and jharokha pattern. Turn page number 4. Here in the photo, you can see only one face of the brick, and in other you can see 3 faces. Now the question is, how many faces in all does a brick have? Very simple, the brick has 6 faces in all. Come to the next point. Is any face a square? Students, can you see any square faces of the brick? As I had already explained in session 1, the structure of a brick is cuboid in shape. And a cuboid is a shape which has 6 rectangular faces. That means every face of a brick is rectangle, not a square. That means no faces in the brick is square. Now draw the smallest face of the brick. Here in the pic you can see the smallest face of the brick. Now draw the face. Students, I have drawn the smallest face of the bricks. Now you will try this in your notebook. Now have a quick look on the questions. The first one is, how many faces in all does a brick have? A brick has 6 faces. Is any face a square? No. So you can write these questions in your notebook. The next question is, which of these are the faces of a brick? From these pictures, you can see the rectangular faces of the brick. That means figure 3 and the last figure are the faces of a brick. The next one is, which of these is a drawing of a brick? You can easily see the fourth figure shows the structure of a brick. That is, the cuboid shape of the structure shows that the drawing is the picture of a brick. Now have a quick look on the slide referring page number 4 that I have already explained. You have to draw these images in your notebook. Here you can see the drawing of the box with 3 faces. Now you can try to make the drawing of the box in your notebook. Can you make a drawing of a brick which shows 4 of its faces? No. We cannot make a drawing of a brick which shows 4 of its faces. We can make a drawing of a brick only showing 3 of its faces. Now turn page number 5. A wall that will not fall. One day, Munia and Zainab are playing with bricks and making their walls. Each makes different walls. As you can see here in the pictures, Zainab made the different structure than that of Munia. The question is, what do you think? Which wall will be stronger? So, obviously Zainab's wall will be stronger as it gets a support from both sides. You can see the brick pattern shows here. It means this pattern shows that it gets the support from the both side, and that is why you can say that Zainab's structure is more stronger than that of Munia. Different wall patterns. Here are the photos of three kinds of brick walls. Can you see the difference in the way the bricks are placed? Yes, I can see the arrangement of bricks are different in each photos. That means the arrangement of brick is different from the second one, while the second one is different from the third one. Now match the photos of each wall with the current drawing. Students, here I made some lines. Can you see those lines? Okay, I draw the lines to match the photo of each wall with the correct drawing. Turn page number 6. Looking through a brick jali. So, what is a jali? A jali is an ornamental pattern constructed through the use of geometry. This decoration is common in Indo-Islamic architecture. Here you can see different type of beautiful jali. The jali that you can see is the geometrical shape, right? So here the question is, how many different jali patterns can you see in these two pictures? Here I can see the 5 patterns of jali in these two photos. Now in the next page there is a drawing of another beautiful jali. As you can see in the picture, there is a beautiful jali. Now the next one is, can you see the window jharokha in the photo of the school? So before we start this, we have to understand what is a jharokha. The jharokha is a stone window projecting from the wall face of a building. Now students, you can make some jharokha patterns on the wall and shade it black. Students, now I will stop my today's teaching session over here. We will continue the rest of the chapter in the next lecture. Hope you have understood. Now go through the session and revise it. Thank you.